Happy Halloween, everyone. We are back with another hair tutorial on how I got this beautiful orange ombre. Hit the like button and share the video. If you are new, welcome and subscribe and hit the bell button to let you know when a new video is up. So let's get it started. The tools we are going to need is our bowls, brushes, clips. The colors I'm using is from Adore, Kiss Colors, and from Ion. I will leave the colors name in the description box below, and you'll be able to find these colors at the local beauty supply and Sally's. Don't forget your fine tooth comb, because we'll be using this later. So right now, I'm showing you test strips of the hair. Like I always stated, you should always do swatch tests before applying on your hair, real or extensions, just to make sure it's the correct color you are searching for. And don't forget your wig. I'm using 613 blonde hair from a company on Aliexpress, NewStarHair, and the frontal is from HerhairCompany. I will be doing a review on this hair, so don't worry. I will give you the details on if I like this hair or not. And make sure you're doing this on washed hair instead of getting them out the package. Now I'm applying Got To Be gel, using a brush to paint across the lace. The reason why is to basically protect the frontal from staining when applying color, because like I said in earlier videos, using more liquid dyes are going to be more runny than dye that is more of a solid consistency. Once I finish applying all over, I take my blow dryer and use it on the cool setting to dry. I recommend applying at least 2 coats, and if you like even more protection, use a bit of a Got To Be freezing blast spray and repeat the process by blow drying. Now I'm just separating the frontal from the bundle hair just to do it last, and then parting the bundles, taking about 1/4 of the tracks, at least about 5 to 8 tracks at the bottom, and then putting the rest in a plastic cap. Now I'm taking about a half a bottle of Adore Cajun Spice in the bowl, and then taking 2/3 of Adore Sunset Orange and mixing both together to give me the perfect red orange shade. Then I'll start applying. I usually take about 2 tracks at a time, working top to bottom and gliding my brush like it's a paintbrush against the hair. Then I will separate the 2 tracks to go in each one to make sure I did not miss any spots. Once I finish getting the red orange color shade, I'm going to basically wipe my hands off any excess color. Then I'm going to start taking some foils to wrap on the hair to not let it stain the uncolored blonde hair. Now I'm taking Adore Sunset Orange, and off topic, I was having a bit of a slow moment because I didn't realize till after that I could untwist the top to pour the color instead of squeezing it. Yeah, slow moment. So now I'm just placing the color on top first as a guideline to know when to start and stop on each color. Then I'm going to begin doing the same process as I done the previous hair color. So basically I'm using 4 different colors: Adore Sunset Orange at the top, Adore Ginger in the middle, Kiss Colors Ginger midway, and then Ion Lemon at the ends. Y'all may be thinking like, but Adore Ginger and Kiss Color is the same color, right? Well, yes, but for me having like a good eye, I can tell that Adore Ginger is slightly a shade darker compared to Kiss Colors. The Kiss Colors Ginger is a little bit lighter. So it's kind of a good thing for me because I want to be able to like show so many different shades when I'm doing ombres and whatnot. So you're going to see later, because I noticed the difference. If y'all saw the test strip, it's kind of like a tad bit lighter. Off topic, y'all, I didn't tell you all this because I'm usually hushy about what I do and just surprise and post it. However, I am doing a rainbow series. I actually had the idea ever since when I done my pink ombre earlier with bangs, and then I done the red ombre middle part curls, regular hair length. Now I'm done this orange ombre, and next I'll be doing yellow. Can't wait to show y'all what style it will be next. So please definitely show support to the videos because I love seeing and doing different shades of colors. That's just the artist in me. Once I finish coloring the bundles, as you can see, I'm taking a fine small tooth comb and dipping the top of it in the color and placing it lightly close to the root and begin to comb it through. This is a very tedious process, but it is beneficial because it will literally help you get close to the knots without staining the lace. I usually take at least about 1/4 or even smaller sections and until I get like halfway from from the root, then I go back using the regular brush to finish it out. And by the way, please don't mind my ashy elbow. Like, I was not worried about lotion. I was more focused on making sure that wig slays, okay? And once I finish the hair, I didn't leave it on the hair like a day like I usually would. I just let it sit on for about 30 to 45 minutes and then washed it out. I only just condition it and use cold water, and I'll leave the products that I use in the description box as well. And as you can see, this is after I wash it, and the colors is just so beautiful and amazing. Like, whoa, like, oh my gosh. Afterwards, I just let it air dry for a couple hours and lightly blow dry once it was 90% dry, and began to do my styling, you know, began to do my styling thing. So by the way, y'all, this is only a hair tutorial. It would have been an eye makeup tutorial too added together, but I kind of didn't like how my eyes came out. And then the worst case scenario happened. I lost my footage, half of my footage, because my storage on my camera was so full. So we'll be doing the look again and have that uploaded later down the line. But for right now, we're just gonna do our thing here. So I'm just taking electric high comb to lay those edges and frontal flats, and you're gonna see me use a stick later, like a glue. It's not a glue stick, but it's kind of like almost like a gel stick that's going to help lay those flyaways down. As you can see, look at them edges. Look at them. That's I did pluck it a little bit, so I didn't show the plucking, but however, I did pluck quite a bit on this frontal. Now you just see me just applying my wig using actual wig glue, and I'm using Bold Hold, and I'm just taking a wooden stick to smooth it out on my skin, because you don't want those a white glob of glue hanging on your head, and it's gonna make everything nasty and messed up, so yeah. One thing for sure though, that hair was smooth as heck when I flat ironed. Because if you notice, each time I try to swing it back to be out of my way, it keeps on falling right back in front of me. So once I apply it, adhere to my skin, then I'm just going to take the metal end of the comb and rub it in small circles to secure the wig. And once I felt the wig is in the right position on my head, and I'm just taking small sections at a time. So basically, I'm going like doing the front first, and I do each side next, so I won't be like all over the place. I don't like to be in a rush when I'm doing this. Just gonna be real about it. I don't like to be in a rush when I'm just like, trying to make sure it's gonna last about a couple weeks, right? Just saying. Once I finish, then I'm just taking my powder foundation to just blend that lace. And that is pretty much the finished look. I hope you all enjoy like I did about this color and everything else. Thank you for watching. Please show love with a like, share the video, comment down below, and subscribe. We need the subscribers here. Yes. And the views here. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope to see y'all soon. Take care.